Is your website ready for AI-powered future of search? Google is changing everything again. Google just rolled out AI overviews and AI mode. That means showing up in the top 10 not longer enough. And click-throughs dropped by 30–60%. But here are the good news. Smart brands are getting real traffic and sales from Google AI answers and AI chatbots like ChatGPT. You can get your content suggested in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, even if you're nowhere near #1 in Google. And if you want AI to recommend your business, not ignore it, you need a new kind of optimization. Here is a free checklist to help you optimize for AI search engines. Don't wait to lose traffic, adopt early and grow. Follow us and get your free geo checklist. Link is here.